Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can change your PS4 icons and background wallpaper like I do. So first go and download this file link in the description, then copy it in USB. Now plug in the USB in your PS4 and install it. Now open it and you will have a lot of options to select. So select which icon you love and click on apply. After the applying complete, restart your PS4 and the icon will change automatically. As you can see, and if you want to change the background wallpaper, go to this website and download the wallpaper you want. Copy the image and paste it in your USB in image folder. Now plug it in your PS4, go to the setting. Themes and then custom themes, select on it, click on it and it will be set as your PS4 background. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks.